How to make money online in Ghana. Doesn't matter if you're a teenager, a student, or already doing a job. This video is for all. Any one of you can start making money online if you watch this video till the end. Out of all the methods that we are going to discuss, the last 3 methods to make money online work only in Ghana. This means less competition in them, and surely there are more chances of making money if you're native to Ghana. My method of explaining to you guys is super easy because with years of my work, I have learned the art of making money online, and I will try to make things as easy as possible, so don't need to worry. And still, if you feel like you can't understand something, you can ask me in the comment sections anytime and I would be happy to help. If you haven't subscribed yet, this isn't fair. For all the time, work and effort I put into making these videos, I only want you to subscribe to my technical solution to connect with me, as I will be making more videos on these latest money making methods and I'm sure nobody would like to miss them. So let's start the video. Number 1. Earn money by freelancing in Ghana. Freelancing is the most versatile work that you can do to earn money online. Freelancers in Ghana are making thousands of dollars by working through global freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. Most of them started from scratch and now they own their software companies. The best thing about freelancing is you will be working from your comfort zone and you can find work of any skill you know, from basic data entry jobs to high demand skills like programming, data science, and artificial intelligence. The key to ultimate success on these platforms is quality work and client satisfaction. Nothing can stop you here except your own limits. If you are new to earning money online and freelancing, I will suggest you to start with Fiverr.com. The process is simple. Create your account on Fiverr, choose the category of your service, add your skills as gigs, and choose service prices. And don't forget to add relevant keywords to your gigs. There is a new update on Fiverr, and now the platform itself will match the freelancers to clients. This means the more optimized your profile is, the more orders you will receive, and hence the more money you will be making. Number 2. E-commerce in Ghana. E-commerce or electronic commerce is buying and selling products using the internet and payment system and the transfer of money. Everything is online. On the global level, e-commerce is done through global e-commerce giants like Amazon and Alibaba. Well, these platforms work in Ghana as well, but these are platforms like Anaton.com, Gigi.com, and Jumia.com that are exclusive to Ghana and the African continent only, and are used by people as compared to Amazon and Alibaba. And the reason is that these platforms are trusted by people and have minimum terms and conditions to start selling and buying. Not only you can sell your own products, but you can also start dropshipping. And if you want to learn, type dropshipping in the comment section and I will make a detailed video on this. Number 3. Make money online with Truyaba Ghana. This one is the best platform to earn money online through mobile. Truyaba Ghana is currently a trending survey platform and easy work for you if you are a student. Doesn't matter if you are not a student because all they demand is complete their surveys. This platform is based in Ghana, but they have respondents from all across the world with almost 144 million engaged users from 130 countries. They are the world's largest network for consumer surveys. If you're thinking why do they require surveys? The answer is you share your data with them so that they use these to improvise their products and services, and in turn you get paid. Basically, Truyaba Ghana is a digital insight gathering platform and you will provide them with digital insights through your surveys. Once you register and create your profile, they themselves will match the survey by analyzing your profile, and these will be based on your interest. These surveys here are quite easy and mostly based on question answering. Each completed survey have earned you some points, and once you reach the sufficient amount, click on My Earned Points and you can redeem these points for money. What I like the most about them is not only the payment options they provide, but you can redeem these points directly to your PayPal also. Number 4. Scooper Content Creator. If you got basic writing skills and an eye on local and global current affairs, you can earn money online with Scooper. Scooper is a news publishing website that covers only Ghana but Africa with other continents as well. You can earn money by writing content that covers news in the categories of sports, health, economy, and politics. This website is legal and they will pay you depending on your writing skills, but the amount of new writers is between $0.6 to $1 per article. Their experienced writers are paid even more. You can transfer this earned money either to your bank account or to your mobile account. Number 5. Opera Hub Creator. Anyone who has writing skill can earn on Opera Hub. They are the #1 news website in the African region and Ghana, especially having 100 million plus downloads on Google Play Store. And talking about the platform's earning, Opera, they will not pay a fixed price like Scooper, content creator, and this is the best thing about them. Here you don't have limits to earn money, as they will pay you for the number of time your article were read, the rating of your content, and the time users spent reading your content. More unique and engaging your content is, the more money you can earn. Here again, you will get monthly payments through mobile bank or bank deposit. Number 6. 15ghana.com. This is an exclusive freelancing platform in Ghana. They provide you the option to advertise your skills, and you can do what more. Let's suppose you are a video editor or graphic designer. You post on this platform and anyone interested in your work will hire you. You complete the given task and you will get paid through your mobile account. You can join with your email and phone number, and registration for this platform is free. The competition for job here is low as compared to global freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Don't waste your time and join them as soon as possible. All these methods of earning money online are flexible and highly versatile. You will be your own boss and you can earn from your own comfort zone. The only thing you need is to get a start, and then your self-discipline and hard work will be achieving your dreams. This was all for today, and don't forget to comment about how the video was today. See you in another video. Keep watching, keep sharing.